a lot of times we have had this discussion that it's not for everyone, right? So everyone doesn't want that there should be no manager. The manager is not for the sake of just managing and all this thing, but it's not that you're reporting on a day-to-day basis. We still have like our normal daily calls and everything with our clients and everything else. But if we have, let's say, a manager on top of that, kind of adds like an extra layer of reporting and all these things, right? Till the time client is happy and we're doing our work, I think if we can manage it on our own, that suits me at least. But I think this whole thing of managing on your own and not having a hierarchy has been like a bad thing for a lot of folks as well, right? Because I've heard from a few folks where they feel that they're just on their own, they have to manage it on their own, and that's something which is not for everyone. And probably that's the reason why we also have some hard time hiring as well, because not everyone kind of thinks like this. People used to think that it should be like a normal flow where it should be like a yearly thing, and then you fill out that form. So I think that's like the worst thing. You fill out a form at the end of the year and you just mark, okay, how did you do and all those things. But those are some of the stuff which I think people really miss, because the point is, if you're talking to your peers, right, that's the time you're like, oh, you know what, I didn't had any kind of appraisal thing, and how is it working for you and all those things. So I think it's mostly with junior folks, I would say. But that's one thing which might go wrong as such, right? Because not everyone wants to be their own boss.